video we made
Where?
to show mum like what we have to do to get by. Making sandwiches outside. Making sandwiches outside for work. Thug life.
No, don't say that.
Definitely a red band. No, I'll probably do them.
Oh, a red bag.
There'll be lots of red bags around here, I'd say. Nah, they're up in Costa, so I don't know why they'll be up around here.
This is the berry farm. Blueberries everywhere. Buckets. Helen, show them your hat. I'm trying to get a second year visa.
This is the farm that we're working on. All these blueberries. And then this is me with the hat, because I got heat stroke last time. Keisha, say hi to the camera. And this is the bucket I have to fill. Doing a pretty good job, I think.